Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 4:30 p.m., 4:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, November 24th, 2021. This is not financial advice. This is educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified. Click share. Click thumbs up. Intraday Updates on Twitter.com on the link below below the video. Here to talk about, you guessed it, the greatness of the graph GRT US dollar right now. Looking at 86, 87 cents. This thing has been just boring as heck lately. But we do have an area of resistance, looking more like an 84-cent range of resistance. However, 83, slightly below that. We are starting to come to a point where something needs to happen here. What needs to happen is that this thing here is coming closer to the blue line. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we remember what this blue line is. Here, once support, here resistance, now support again. This green line here is the bigger terminal. This is the top part of our spaceship. Here's our spaceship that started all the way back the beginning of the year. So we are still over it. Here's the blue line right over here. And I'm going to zoom in now so you can see it more. So this is the blue line here. We're going to come down. I have a feeling we're going to wind up either bouncing off the blue line or making a break higher. But we do have to get past this diagonal yellow resistance line, and this has been going on since November 9th. It's a few weeks later, 2 weeks in a day or so. So we are still, this line is still here, and it's not gone away. So we're going to have to figure it out. Another day or two, something's going to burst here. It's either going to go make a break to the up or break to the down. Keep you posted on Twitter on that, but resistance right now here is 88 cents. Another resistance level, if we get over this, is 98 cents, and then above that, $1.05. Let's go over to the graph relative to Bitcoin. Resistance here as well. Resistance at around 1470. We're at 1512 right now. So we're definitely we've broken past this line here. So it wasn't really a good day here. This was a pretty bad weak drop past there. So we kind of held it as long as we could, and that was been going on since October. So we broke this line for the first time, but we might wind up seeing this area of support here as well. So this is the graph Bitcoin pair with support at 1474. We'll see how this thing pans out as well. Bitcoin, on the other hand, consolidating still to the left, from the left to the right, bouncing around. This new support line here at 55,719. Looking like a dual area of resistance, which could create a nice little bounce when we get over that dual line of resistance where they intersect. It's almost like a magnet. It pushes it up. I've seen it bunches of times and I've talked about it on other videos. In the meantime, we do have a resistance area at 60,200. So we'll continue to monitor this. I think we toil around. The U.S. has Thanksgiving tomorrow here in the States, and we'll see what happens, with people whipping out their iPads and iPhones and Androids. But right now, over to Bitcoin dominance, really making a spike here, creating a little bit of hell and high water in the altcoin market, especially since Bitcoin's sideways to down. So not the greatest situation, but I think it will be a short-lived one. I think we also have an area here. This is a line of support back here, turn to resistance, and now we are only a little bit away from that, 30 cents or 30 basis points away from 43.10. So we've already went up. We may hit another 30 basis points to make another 1% move. So keep your eye on that. I'll keep you posted on Twitter. Graph US dollar. Something's going to happen really soon, in my opinion, for the good or for the bad. But right now, looking like literally, I don't know, less than a day. We'll catch up tomorrow.